Tailwind. Tailwind is a utility CSS library. It helps you create websites pretty fast, and it is not that hard once you have learned it. Tailwind does this all within the HTML file using classes. So you add classes to your HTML element instead of classic CSS where you write your CSS in a separate section or a separate file. Once you have learned all the classes, it becomes pretty easy to combine all the provided utility classes to achieve the effect you want to get. Some examples of the classes from Tailwind are P, which is used for padding, BG, and then the color you want is used for setting background color, and M, which is used to set the margin. You also have classes that help you make your website responsive. Those are SM, MD, and LG. Using these classes you can create a responsive website using Tailwind, and it is not that hard, to be honest. At this point maybe you are wondering, what about pseudo classes? But do not worry, Tailwind has that covered too. It has all the pseudo classes. So you can use hover, focus, and all the other pseudo classes. Another upside about Tailwind is that you can use the docs as a cheat sheet while learning it, and it helps a lot for starting, and also you have a cheat sheet at your fingertips at any time. What if I could tell you that you do not need the docs at all? You can achieve this by installing the extension Tailwind CSS Intellisense that auto-completes all the classes, but now you can write the classes but you do not know what they do. This is an easy fix that the Tailwind CSS Intellisense extension has. Simply hover the class and you get a quick explanation on what the class does. Although Tailwind sounds pretty cool, it has some downsides too. One of them, and in my opinion the only one, is that your HTML file becomes pretty crowded with all the classes, and it looks really messy. Thank you for your time. I hope that I achieved explaining what Tailwind is.